student of BBA. So here's my topic of database relationship. So here is definition. The software which is required to create, modify and gain access to database is called database management. Its abbreviation is DBMS. Software that allow to create and manipulate of an electronic database. Here is subsystem of database management. DBMS engine, data definition, data manipulation, application generation and data administration. So यहाँ पे दो definitions हैं. DBMS engine. The DBMS engine is just like a bridge between 1.2 other means, logical view of and the physical view of data. Database DBMS engine handles the detail of locating the data. The definition. It helps in creation, modification, and define the logical structure of database by using data dictionary or schema. It defines the name used of particles, fields. It provides data type of each field. Actually database is just like a software which is create and modify, यानी ये एक डेटाबेस एक ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है जो आपको मदद करता है बनाने में, क्रिएट करने में, बनाने में और डिज़ाइन करने में बहुत तरीके से काम करता है ये। इसमें आप इंफॉर्मेशन भी सेव कर सकते हो अपनी, जैसे कि लॉजिकल भी हो गई, फिजिकल भी हो गई, और ये सारी डिटेल्स को हैंडल करता है, सारी डिटेल्स को लोकेटिंग करने में हैंडल करता है। और उसके बाद बात करें डेटा डेफिनेशन की, तो सेम डेफिनेशन यहाँ भी वही है कि ये मदद करता है बनाने में, मॉडिफाई करने में और डिफ़ाइन करता है लॉजिकल स्ट्रक्चर को डेटाबेस के बाय दीज थिंग्स, यानी डेटा डिक्शनरी के और स्कीमा। इट्स लाइक अ रॉ column etc. ठीक है, so that's for today guys, hope you guys
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sumaira. I am from Ikra University Airport campus. My topic of presentation is data manipulation, DML. What is data manipulation? Data manipulation is the process of transforming data to make it easier to read or to organize it in a certain way. The importance of data manipulation is to prevent data inconsistency or data loss and maintain data integrity. A data manipulation language (DML) is a computer programming language used for adding, inserting, deleting, and modifying, updating data in a database. DML data manipulation language commands are under below as insert command, syntax. Example: to insert values in a student table. Like that. This is a student table. The next is DBA. DBA stands for Database Management Administration. Is a person or a group of persons who are responsible for managing all the activities related to a database system. The last slide of my presentation is responsibilities of DBA. The 6 is given below as the DBA must also decide how the data is represented in the database and must specify the representation by writing the storage definition. It is the responsibility of the DBA to provide support to the users to ensure that the data they require is available. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Suhaira Ahmed and today I will be discussing database relationships with you. Before we get to the topic, it is worthwhile to know what relationship is. Relationship is the association between two different entities. Now we'll discuss the type of relationships. The first type is one-to-one relationship. As you can see, there are two tables A and B. This one-to-one relationship says that the record of table A is related to one record of table B. The same thing goes for table B. Now the third slide states what I have explained in my previous slide. Now we move on to the other type, which is one-to-many relationship. In database, one-to-many relationship is a type that refers to the relationship between two entities, A and B, in which an element of A might be linked to many elements of B, but an element of B is linked to only one element of A. Now this table can clearly depict what I have explained in my previous slide.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Aliza Sadek and I am a student of Bachelor's of Business Administration. Since we discussed one-to-one and one-to-many relationship in our last slide, so here I am discussing the third and fourth type of database relationship. The third one is many-to-one relationship. Many-to-one relationship is an inverse of one-to-many relationship. By using table A and table B, we make you understand that which kind of relationship is this. मैनी टू वन रिलेशनशिप किस तरीके से वन टू मैनी रिलेशनशिप के इन्वर्स है, ये आपको टेबल देखने के बाद समझ आ जाएगा. तो नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ उसका टेबल. एज यू कैन सी, द ओनली रिकॉर्ड ऑफ टेबल बी इज़ related to the many record of table A. So this relation is called many to one relationship. The fourth type is many to many relationship. In many to many relationship, there isn't any limit. The many record of table A can be shared with many record of table B. So मैं आपको जो है नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में डायग्राम दिखा देती हूँ, आपको उससे थोड़ा सा और अच्छे से समझ आ जाएगा. तो जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, इसमें दो डायग्राम्स है. जो फर्स्ट वाली डायग्राम है वो वन टू मैनी रिलेशनशिप को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है. जो सेकंड वाली डायग्राम है वो मैनी टू वन रिलेशनशिप को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है. अब आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि ये दोनों रिलेशंस मैनी टू मैनी रिलेशनशिप में क्या कर रहे होंगे. बेसिकली मैनी टू मैनी रिलेशनशिप का ये काम है कि वो वन टू मैनी रिलेशनशिप को और मैनी टू वन रिलेशनशिप को एक साथ प्रोसेस करें. उम्मीद है कि आपको मेरी बात और ये टॉपिक समझ आ गया होगा. शुक्रिया.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Zainuddin. I am a student of Victoria University from BB department. Today's my topic is advantages of database relationship. There are many advantages of database relationship, but few are as under. Number one, simple model. Database relation is the most simple model as it does not require any complex structuring of querying process. It does not involve hierarchical database structuring or definition. Number two, data accuracy. In a relational database system, there can be multiple tables related to one another with the use of primary key and foreign key concept. This can be data non-replicative. There is no fixed duplication of data. Number three, easy access to data. In database relationship, there is no pattern or pathway for accessing the data as to another type of database can be accessed only by navigating through a tree or a hierarchy model. Number four, flexibility. A database relationship system by itself possesses qualities for leveling up, expanding topical length as it involved with a bendable structure to accommodate the constantly shifting requirements. This facilitates increasing amounts of data. Number 5. High security. The database is divided among the table of the database relationship system. It is possible to make the few tables to be tagged as confidential and as not. This segregation is easily implemented with a relational database management system. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rishawar Palari from Ikra Airport Campus, BBA student. Today my topic is disadvantages of database relationship. There are so many disadvantages of database relationship, but I discuss few one. The first disadvantage is expensive. Database is the expensive of setting up and maintaining the database system. When we set and maintain database system, we need to purchase some special software which are so expensive. That's why database relationship is expensive in organizations. The second disadvantage is structure limit. Some database relationship have limit on field length. When we have designed the database, we have specified the amount of data we can fit into a field. That's why some research queries are shorter than the actual one. The third disadvantage is isolated information. Database relationship can use a large number of tables. There is usually a risk that some informations are forgotten or lost. This is usually a problem for large organizations because they are using different database systems and they transfer data from one system to another. The fourth disadvantage is complex. Database relationships are sometimes complex because the amount of data grow and the relationship between the piece of data are more complicated. Thank you so much.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Myself Rimsha Riaz, BBA student from ICRA University Airport campus. Today I am going to discuss the topic relationship of database, from which my part is the importance of database. Database importance. Databases are a collection of organized information that can easily be accessed, managed and updated. Database systems are very important to your business because they communicate information related to your sales, transaction, product inventory, customer profiles and marketing activities. There are some following types of database importance. Database design. Database design is the organization of data according to a database model. The designer determines what data must be stored and how the data elements interrelate. Database implement. The implementation phase is where you install the DBMS on the required hardware. Run based on that hardware and software platform. It optimizes the database to create the database and table, load the data, set up the users and security. Database operations. Operational databases management systems are used to update data in real time. These types of database allow users to do more than simply view or achieve data. That's all. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ehsan Ahmed Behlim and my topic is importance of database. In these 2 minutes I am gonna tell you about the main purpose of database concept. Something conceived in the mind through notation, an abstract or generic idea generalized from particular instances. The basic concept of psychology, the concept of gravity. Planning is the process of thinking about the activities required to achieve a desired goal. Testing, a means of testing such as a series of questions or exercises for measuring the skills, knowledge, intelligence, capacity or aptitudes of an individual or group. Second point, a procedure, reaction or used to identify or characterize a substance or constituent. Database. A database is an organized collection of data generally stored and accessed electronically from computer system. Second point, the database management system DBMS is the software that interacts with end users, applications and the database itself to capture and analyze the data. Thanks.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saqib Siddiqui and I am a student of BBA. My topic is that what is the main purpose of database. In these 2 minutes, I'm gonna tell you about the main purpose of database. Organization use large amount of data. A database management system is a software tool that makes it possible to organize data in a database. The ultimate purpose of a database management system is to store and transform data into information to support making decisions. Let's move on to the example. For example, if an organization hires someone to work in their organization, so first they will get all the data from hired person, that what's his or her name, age or qualification, and then they will put all the data in a database management system. So in this way, organization will store its employee data. For some reason, if organization wants to know about performance of its employee, so organization will open the DBMS and type employee's name. In this way, all the data will show on the screen, that how many hours employee works in a month or how many days they were present in a month, which will help organization in making decision. So this is the main purpose of database.
Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Zain Khalid, BBA student from Ikra University. Today I am going to discuss relationship of database, from which my part is how does database work. A relation database stores data in tables. Tables are organized into columns and each column stores one type of data. As you always seen onto your computer or mobile screens, that whenever you open your computer files, its first page appears in the form of table, a perfect table form like local disk C, local disk E, F or G. It can be in integer, real number, character strings, date. It's all depend on you. Either you save your folder by name of character, by name of string, or by real number, whatever you want. The data for a single instance of table is stored as a raw. It means that for a single piece of pictures, music, videos, whatever the stuff you have, it will shown in raw. Computer database typically contain aggregations of data records or file. It means that the computer we are using at home are very simple. These computers can save our Google history, our game data or our files. Our database is an organized collection of structured information or that typically stored electronically in a computer system. Database usually controlled by database management system. What is database management system? Database management system is a type of software which control our information on daily basis. It means that we have no need to save our information or data again and again. Database management system will save our information automatically. That's all. Thank you so much.